Hey, how you doing, guys? It's Ray the Mole Mechanic back at you. Finna do some brakes on a 2020 Hyundai Palisade SE or SEL, and we're doing the rear brake. So I wanted to be sure that we don't mess no kind of electronics up, and I'm glad I did because I got Identifix here that I pay for on a monthly subscription, and as you finna see. When I turn the camera, you'll see what it says that you got to go in here and perform a brake replacement mode using the GDS in the car. Boom. Looks like there's about 16, 17 steps on this. So you got to do it before and after. I'm not going to show the whole thing, but this is a long process. But however, you go in there. And it says perform the thing 3 times. Make sure to repeat engagement, the disengagement 3 times, that brake pad replacement mode. This guy happened to have an oil change today and heard some squeaking afterwards. Ended up needing pads and chewed the rotor up on this puppy. So I tried to get my parts at AutoZone like usual, or O'Reilly's, but we went through Advance Auto, and they had both pads in stock, and the rotor. So I got the ceramic pads with the hardware, and then a coated rear rotor, and then now we're gonna do the install. So FYI on the GDS part. Before you do it, you go in there and just do it like normal. The front, you don't have to worry about nothing, but the rear, you do. So I'll see you shortly. I'm gonna jack the car up, pull the wheels off, and get back to it.